Hi, welcome back to part 2. In this video, I will be giving 3 more tips on how to stay safe whilst driving this winter. Before we start, make sure you like and subscribe or follow for more videos like this. Tip 4. Bundle up and buckle up. It's cold out there, so make sure you're warm and cozy. And of course, always buckle up. Seatbelts save lives. Tip 5. Stay informed. Check the weather before heading out. If conditions are bad, consider delaying your trip or finding an alternative route. Knowledge is power. Tip 6. Winterize your ride. Get your car winter ready. Check the tires, brakes, and fluids. A well-maintained car is your best companion in challenging conditions. Remember, friends, safety first, always. Share these tips with your fellow drivers, and let's make this winter a season of safe journeys. Drive safe, stay warm, and happy driving.